problems to finish in study guide for test 1, problem 18. We need to find the left-hand side limit of the function f as x approaches 0. So the negative here means that the left-hand side limit of the function. So the function is defined piecewise for x less than 1 and for x greater than equal less than 0 and for x greater than equal 0. When x less than 0, fx equals x minus 1. When x is greater than equal to 0, fx equals x plus 1. So we want to find the limit of the function as x approaches 0 from the left. So we're going to use this expression because that's the left side of the function. So what you do is just find the limit from this expression. So when x approaches 0, this fx approaches 0 minus 1, so that will be negative 1. So the answer is negative 1. Okay? So that's number 18. Number 19, we know the limit of f and we know the limit of g as x approaches negative 1, or 2 and 3 respectively. We need to find the limit of 5 and 5 f minus 4g as x approaches negative 1. So what you do, you just plug in 2 for the first limit and 3 for the negative 3 for the second limit. Okay, so the limit of f is 2 as x approaches negative 1. So plug in 2 in here, and the limit of g as x approaches negative 1 is negative 3. So you plug in negative 3 here. So you get 10 plus 12. So that's 22. All right. So that's the answer. For number 20, we know this function f is piecewise defined, and we will find the limit of the function as x approaches negative 1, or approaches 1, I think. It should be 1. Okay, if that's negative 1, there's a typo in the problem. It should be 1 here. So we need to find the left-hand side and the right-hand side limit for the function, and then see what they are. So to find the left-hand side limit of a function, so you're going to put the negative here. So you just use the expression on the top because that's valid for x less than 1. So that's the left-hand side of the function. So you just plug in 1 for x on the top expression, so you get 3 minus 1, so that's 2. And then you do the same thing for the right-hand side limit of the function. Okay? So this time we put a plus in here to mean the right-hand side limit of the function as x approaches 1 from the right. But then now you're going to use the expression for negative x plus 3 because that's valid for x greater than or equal to 1. That's the right-hand side. So you're just plug in 1 for x in this expression, so you get a negative 1 plus 3, so that's 2. So you get 2 in here, 2 in here, they are the same. So the left-hand side and right-hand side limits are the same. So that means the limit of the function exists and is 2. So that's the answer for problem 20. All right.